Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bryan Pragita with student number 1612100 and my partner beside me.
I'm Sheila Puspsa Ayu with student number 16121000028. Okay, in this video, we will discuss about digital literacy final semester exam material on how to overcome issues and problems in the digital world.
Right, as we know, recently there has been a lot of buzz about issues or even problems in the digital world, such as what happened today, which coincided with the political campaign and also the presidential election, which is currently taking place in our country, Indonesia.
That's right. That how do we or all the parties involved deal with these issues and problems?
Well, according to the data, there are actually several ways to overcome issues and problems in the digital world, involving various aspects such as security, privacy, ethics, and technology management.
That's right. For this reason, we as consumers of news sources must be more careful so as not to be consumed by rumors or hoax that are currently widespread in the digital era like today.
All right, in this moment, we will discuss one phenomenon that we must be aware of, especially the focus on cybersecurity.
What kind of example is that?
So first of all, we need to make sure our software and operating system are always updated with the latest system security updates.
Surely, and don't forget to use security software such as antivirus and firewall on our devices so that they don't fill up with advertisement or news that enter our gadgets devices such as our laptops and smartphone.
Enforce strict security policies, including the use of strong password and appropriate access rights settings. Then educate users to recognize cyber threat, and implement good security practices.
Actually, there are various ways to overcome and prevent these problems from developing for us.
That's right. Like data privacy is also something that Sheila can use. So that the sources of information that enter our social media accounts are not filled with information spam or news whose source is unclear.
Do we need to pay attention to data privacy regulation such as GDPR or other local privacy laws?
Very necessary, Sheila. So that the questions is how much society or even social media users can consider, using encryption tools to protect sensitive data. That's the biggest problem. In fact, it could be said that most of us are still lacking or passive in giving users greater control over their personal data.
So what are the benchmarks? Yes, of course, with digital ethics, which involves ethical and responsible online behavior.
Development of public education about digital literacy so that they can identify and overcome various risks and problems.
And of course, also teach children and teenagers about digital ethics, privacy protection, and online behaviors.
So the conclusion is that in overcoming issues and problems in the digital world, a holistic approach is needed, which includes cybersecurity, data privacy, digital ethics, and technology management, digital literacy, collaboration, monitoring, and fast response and responsible innovation.
Then, the key to success is awareness, education, and collaboration across sectors to develop policies, practices, and solutions that promote security, privacy, and ethics in the digital ecosystem.
So many short video explaining issues and problems in the digital world from us and ways to overcome them.
This education is very useful if you watch it. Thank you.
Thank you.